5 very easy footworks for beginners. Anyone can learn them. The first one is the monkey swing. Starting in the position 0, this position here, sitting on your heels. Just stay comfortable in this position, knees not too wide, not too closed, but kind of like in the middle. You should feel relaxed. Back straight, don't be like this, don't be arched like this. So neutral position like this. You start with one hand on the floor, just with the fingers on the floor, not the palm of your hand, just the fingers on one side. Maybe just play with this position a little bit first, just switching from one arm to the other. The monkey swing is basically making one leg straight, the opposite leg as the arm you're using. So right arm, left leg. From here, you want to turn your leg, switch your weight and change your arm, and then jump and switch your leg. And then repeating the same movement on the other side. So you should be on the opposite arm and the opposite leg straight. And from here you turn in the other way and you switch the weight and you lean on the other arm. And you repeat it over and over again. It's a very easy pattern. So switch and turn, switch and turn, switch and turn. At first you can touch with your heels the floor, but when you get a little bit more advanced, try to stay with your heels up. I'm gonna show it how it looks if you do it smoother. So like this. Then, second step is the reverse monkey swing. It's the same as this one, you just do kind of like a reverse movement. So, in this case, we want to use the same leg and the same arm. Right arm, right leg. Starting towards the left side. I'm gonna turn and switch the weight of my arm and switch the leg. And then turn on the other side, switch the weight of my arm and switch the leg. And also here, keep repeating this movement as a pattern. First, you can touch with your heel the floor and then try to lift them up and try to do it smoother and a little bit faster. And it should look something like this. This is the second footwork. Third one, very easy one, the helicopter. Almost anyone knows it, even not breakdancers. It's called helicopter or coffee grinder or one step. It can be called in different ways. And it's this step here. One arm on the floor, one leg straight, opposite arm, opposite leg. You turn, you switch the weight on the opposite arm, you lean both hands on the floor, you jump, and you keep repeating the same movement as a circle, like this. In this case, the heel, the leg is never touching the floor. The foot, sorry, is never touching the floor. You start from here. You can touch at first on the floor, but then when you start the rotation, don't touch anymore. Do like this and jump. Do like this and then jump. A really common mistake in this one is that many people do like this. I'm gonna show it from the side. If you spin clockwise, they're gonna lean the foot on the floor like this, and then they're gonna jump. But you should never touch with your foot the floor. You should always just keep going smoothly without touching with your foot in the air. So from the side, it should look something like this. Very easy. Another one, Zulu spin. I'm gonna do it clockwise. Right arm, right leg straight. From here, I'm gonna lean the left hand here, very close to the right one. If you want, you can lean it a little bit more here. If you want, you can go a little bit further like this. Up to you, how you feel more comfortable. At the same time, when you lean, you're gonna transfer the weight towards the right side, kick and turn, and switch the arm. And you're gonna stay in the same position as the starting position. But after arriving in this position, you're gonna slide your foot like this, and you're gonna turn around maybe, I don't know, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, up to you actually, how much you want to turn. If you turn more, the movement will look very wide. If you turn less, the movement will look smaller. This is really up to you. I'm gonna show it one more time slowly. From here, lean the hand, kick, turn, and slide. And then you're gonna repeat it. Kick, turn, and slide. Kick, turn, and slide. This was the fourth, last footwork, very easy one. You're gonna start again from the position 0. And from here, you're gonna straighten one leg, same arm, same leg straight. I'm gonna lean the right hand on the floor, and then I'm gonna kick the right leg up in this way here. And as you can see, I'm turning the left leg. The left foot is turning like this. And then I'm switching, moving the weight to the other side, switching arm, and doing it on the other side. Pam. This is called the CC. Some people call it kick out, some people call it CC, up to you. For some people, CC and kick outs are two different moves. So again, one more time, I'm gonna start from the right this time. So from here, lean the hand on the floor, the left one, and kick. Go back, switch, switch, and kick. Go back, switch, switch, and kick. When you do it a little bit faster, you can switch the leg and the arm at the same time. So now I'm doing two movements, like, sorry, I'm switching the leg and then I'm switching the arm. But when I do it a little bit faster, I'm gonna do it like this. Pam, pam, and from here I'm gonna switch the leg and switch the arm at the same time. So like this, okay? And pam. Then come back, switch the leg and switch the arm at the same time, pam, and pam. This was the 5th footwork, and these are the 5 easier, maybe, footworks for beginners. There are way more, actually, but the video would be too long, so I'm gonna just show these 5. Once you learn all of them, you can try to combine them. Let me know if you wanna see more videos like this, and see you next time. Peace!